Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so you'll know when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you here. So today is a combination video. It is a coloring collaboration. It's an open collaboration. Anyone can upload a video. It's usually on Mondays, and I think we have one more week and we start the new coloring book. But I've just been coloring out of a book that I have shown, so I will show you a picture that I had just finished. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It turned out really pretty. And then I also have a grocery haul, you guys. I did really good with this grocery haul. You all are gonna flip when you hear what I saved this week. So hang on to your hats and let me show you my coloring picture, and then we will get to the groceries. Okay, here is the picture that I finished for the collaboration. This turned out so gorgeous. I am really happy with how that one turned out. And I did that one a few days ago. And let me find the one that I just finished so you can see I'm still working through this book. Let me see here. I still have a lot to do yet in this book. So I always keep a blank paper behind pictures that I'm working on to prevent bleed through, because I do use gel pens. I'm going to be starting this one next. But here's one that I finished a couple days ago, and then I just finished this one maybe an hour ago, so I think that one turned out really pretty. So that's the coloring that I've been working on. So now let's get to the grocery haul. All right, guys, starting over here at my drink fridge. I already had the cases of soda and water, so that was not part of this haul, but I did get 2 Coke Zeros, 2 of the Mountain Dew, because they were on sale this week. And I had 3 cases of water, but guys, they had drinking water on sale for $2.45 a case. Plus, it is now tax-free week here in Florida for hurricane preps. So I got 4 more cases of water. So I was really happy with that. I should have went ahead and got the 5th one, but y'all, $2.49 a case, and I already had 2 full ones and part of an open one. So I think now all I have to do is restock when I use a case. So now let's get over to the kitchen and do the food part of today's haul. All right, this is what I got this week at Kroger. Everything I got, I think, was on sale, except the only non-food item that I purchased, which was sunscreen, especially waterproof sunscreen, because I'm not getting burned the next time I go down to the pool again. So I learned my lesson. I got sunscreen. I will use it. And y'all, my sunburn is finally getting better to where I can sleep And yeah, I learned my lesson. So the other thing I got that was not on sale was this pack of roasted potatoes, and I will tell you what I'm gonna do with them in just a second. So they had Sumatra coffee on sale, so I got some ground Sumatra, which is my favorite, and some espresso roast coffee beans. I have started using my espresso maker again, and I just want a really great cup of coffee. So back here I have some barbecue sauce. I got some roasted garlic and herb prego. They still had their snacks on sale, so I got a Tostitos, and it is the salsa con queso, the medium blend, and then I got some Tostito scoops and some yellow chips and some corn chips. Then I got a loaf of bread, which was on sale. They had a huge sale on their cheese, which their sale ends Tuesdays, so unfortunately by the time this comes out, it will be too late to do Kroger delivery for this week's sale prices. But they had these big bags of cheese for $7.99, so I stocked my cheese drawer with mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and Monterey Jack. They had these bags of chicken breasts on sale, so I'm actually thawing these out, and I'm going to pressure can them because I am almost out of chicken. So I'm really excited for that. And then they had a great sale on these pork loins. I'm going to can this. And they had these beautiful chuck roasts on a special Kroger Boost sale, so I managed to get one of these. I am going to do some jars of stew, which is what I'm using the potatoes for, and the roasted garlic and herb sauce. I thought that would be really good in a stew. So I already had the carrots and the onions. I have the carrots all cleaned and ready to go, and the onion all chopped. So yeah, this week I am canning up my own beanie weenies. I already have the hot dog slice for that, and then I will be doing the chicken breast, the jars of stew, and the pork loin. So yeah, I'm getting stuff on my shelf for storm season. So now I will bring you over to the computer, and I will give you my final total. All right, I'm back over here at my computer. Pull my receipt up. So guys, before all of the sales stuff was taken off, my total was $169.35. So they took off coupons and sales for a total of $59.69 for all of the sale and the coupon things that I had. They took off $5 for order coupons. They took off $9.95 for the delivery fee because I am a Kroger Boost member, so I don't pay the delivery fee. So I save that with each delivery. And $1.23 in tax, because we do pay tax on stuff, on food items here in Florida. So by the time they took everything off, remember my total at first was $169.35. The total came down to $109.89. I saved $70.64. That deserved a round of applause. So everything I got was on sale except for the pasta sauce and the bread. There were three things: the pasta sauce, the bread, and the sunscreen was all that was not on sale. Everything else was on sale. So I did really good stocking the coupons, and the chuck roast came up on a flash deal for Kroger Boost members when I went to check out, and that was a happy surprise, because I have been wanting to make beef stew to pressure can, so we are gonna do that. So yeah, $70.64 in savings. That just blew me away. So I am now all stocked up on water. All I have to do is replace the case as I use the case. I am starting to stock my shelf now that I'm pressure canning again. So far I have 8 jars of pasta sauce, 8 jars of chili, and 8 jars of beanie weenies canned. I love canning my own because I could put as much hot dogs in it as I want. So I always try to can my own. And then I'm going to have the beef stew, the pork loin, and the chicken breast all pressure canned and on the shelf. And the jars of the stew when I get it put together. So yep, I'm getting ready for storm season. They keep saying it's gonna be bad, so I'm getting things as ready as I can. So hopefully it won't be as bad as what they're saying. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. And again, make sure to check out the coloring collaboration, see what all the other ladies are working on. There's some great channels in this collaboration, so make sure to check them out. They will be linked down below. And y'all, I am just so thrilled with this Kroger delivery order. So I'm going to end this by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.